Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin the new lesson of your social science book, Lesson 4, Our Food. All the food that we eat comes either from plants or from animals. The food we get from plants is called vegetarian food, and the food we get from animals is called non-vegetarian food. We get different types of food from plants and animals. Plants, for example, give us cereals, pulses, fruit, and vegetables, whereas from animals we get meat, egg, and milk. Let us discuss them one by one. Cereals. The seed of some plants form the major part of our meals. These are called cereals. Rice, wheat, maize, which is also called as corn, jowar, and bajra are all cereals. In India, different food crops are grown in different regions. Like eastern and southern India grow plenty of rice. So people from these areas usually eat rice. Rice is mostly boiled and eaten with vegetables and other things. It may also be ground into a paste to make dosa, idli, uttapam, appam, and so on. These tasty dishes from South India are now liked all over the country. Wheat grows well in northern India and parts of western India. This is why people in these areas are used to having roti. Roti is made from ground wheat or flour. It can also be made from the flour of jowar, bajra, or maize. Bread loaves, cakes, bhatura, kulcha, etc. are also made from flour. Pulses. All types of dal, beans, gram, and peas are called pulses. These too are seeds of plants. Pulses are eaten in all Indian homes. The type of pulses and the way of cooking may be different. For example, rajma, which is also known as kidney beans, is loved in north, whereas sambar, a dish cooked with raher or tuar dal and vegetables, is a favorite in the south. Fruits and vegetables. Some fruit and vegetables are eaten round the year. Others are most common in the season of harvest when they are picked from plants. These fruits are called seasonal fruits. Apples and pears are more common in autumn, oranges in winter, grapes in spring, and watermelons, mangoes, and lychees in summer. The best cabbages, cauliflowers, and carrots are sold in winter. And many types of gourds are eaten in summer. Apart from this, the fruits and vegetables people eat often depend on the part of the country they live in. Apricots, plums, peaches, and cherries grow well in colder places. So they are common in Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir. Coconuts grow well near the sea. So they are a part of many dishes of Kerala, Goa, and West Bengal. The leaves of mustard, which is also known as sarson ka saag, are loved in northern India, while drumsticks are used in many dishes in southern and eastern India. Non-vegetarian food. Non-vegetarian food comes from animals. It includes fish, meat, and eggs. The type of non-vegetarian food people like may depend on the place they come from. For example, most people who live near the sea love to eat fish. A very important ingredient of food is spices. Spices are used to add flavor to food. Indian food is rich in spices. That is because India is among the countries that grow the greatest amounts of spices. Some common spices are turmeric, chili, black pepper, clove, ginger, garlic, cinnamon, cardamom, and the seeds of cumin, mustard, and coriander. Oils. The oils commonly used in Indian cooking are made from many kinds of seeds, like those of groundnut, coconut, soya bean, mustard, sesame, and sunflower. In northern India, mostly people use mustard, soya bean, and sunflower oil in cooking, whereas people who live in coastal regions mostly use coconut oil in their food. Milk and milk products. Milk comes mainly from cows and buffaloes. In some parts of our country, people drink the milk of goats, sheep, camels, or yaks. Any food made from milk is called a milk product. Butter, cheese, ghee, curds, yogurt, and paneer are some examples. Many kinds of Indian sweets such as kulfi, rasgulla, gulab jamun, peda, and sandesh are also made from milk. Earlier, people could eat only the food grown in nearby places. Now, things grown in one place are taken to other place. Trucks, trains, boats, and aeroplanes carry grains, fruits, vegetables, milk, and milk products to and from different parts of the country. So, pineapple from Assam reach Mumbai and green coconuts from Kerala reach Delhi. Apples from Himachal can be enjoyed in Kolkata and mangoes from Uttar Pradesh can be eaten in Chennai. Thank you, children.